Hello, welcome to another Infinite Campus Parent Portal tutorial video. In this video, we're going to go over the attendance. To get started, we go over to the main menu button and scroll down to attendance. In the top right corner, you'll be able to cycle through your children with a drop-down menu here. What we see here is a high school student schedule, and it has the courses over here on the left-hand side, absent, and then tardy as well here. So if I were to click here on this absence, it will give me a detailed information as to why the student was sick, and also it gives the date as well. Moving over to elementary attendance, you'll see there is a slight change. It will have an AM attendance and then a PM attendance. If I were to click over on the AM, it will give me a detailed reason as to why the child was absent.